Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of opening a watermelon. So last video we tried to open this big watermelon and we were trying to do it again because last video was not successful, so we will have to keep on adding rubber bands. Right here we got more and try to explode this thing. So I have my dad here again to help put rubber bands on, and let's get started. I'm hiding under this if it is about to explode, because I do not want it hitting my face. My dad wouldn't get his goggles, so I'm just going to talk. We have reached over 50 subscribers, and this is very exciting. So thank you all the people who have subscribed to help us get to this point. And we will never forget you. If this watermelon does not pop by the end of this video, I'm going to be very mad and also surprised, because I cannot believe that this watermelon can withstand that many rubber bands. It feels like it's about to rain here. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. I feel like we need to be standing farther away so it does not pop and hit our faces. I'm scared of this watermelon now. After this video, I might never eat watermelon again.
Whoever's the 100th subscriber, we'll send them the rubber band ball.
You can barely see any of the colors anymore. Let's check on the watermelon. Oh! We need to stand farther away now. If we run out of rubber bands, I'm probably just going to throw this thing on the ground. Also, just remember this. If you have not watched the first part of this, you probably should go do that so you can see what happened before the watermelon came to look like this. And if you would like to see just the explosion, just skip to the end of the video. Oh! Did I see that?
Oh, I would stop messing with it.
Yeah. I'm watching you very closely, watermelon. I don't like this challenge anymore. Oh, it's getting very hard to put on the rubber bands. The watermelon feels like it's sweating. It is so wet. This thing's probably gonna pop whenever we're least expecting it. Like, we have flipped the watermelon the other way.
Oh, I heard something. I heard something cracking.
Maybe it's just the ground.
No.
Oh, I hear it too.
Oh, I did hear something crack like that.
Go take a look at it. Go take a look at it.
I got the 2 rubber bands on
Why did I decide to do this? Everyone put on your safety glasses because it's probably gonna pop. In 3, 2, 1. We're trying to keep our distance from the watermelon just in case it pops and explodes all over the place. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, now we have the camera person doing this with me now. Oh, whoa, look at the bubble right here.
It's the rain. Come on.
Just look at this. You might not be able to see it, but it's bubbling. I do not like this. Oh, we gotta be quick. Like right whenever we grab it. Oh! Do you hear that? I feel like we should stop. I do not like this. Stop it, watermelon. If we run out of rubber bands, I'm just gonna throw this thing at the ground because it's literally about to pop. My hands are hurting now. My dad had to stop because his hands were hurting too bad. And I do not know how I am still doing this. Because my hands are red. Is this still bubbling? Oh, I see a crack. There's a crack.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh.
Sure that was the watermelon?
Yes,
Oh, there it is. Look. There goes Cole. Oh. It's trying. Look. Oh.
Close your ears.
Oh, man. That's it.
Okay,
Oh.
I'm not putting any more on.
Come on, let's do one more.
No, it's gonna pop in our faces. And we do not want that. Okay,
But y'all heard it? Y'all heard it, Frank?
just saw this big crack. And then it came to be this. Ooh.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes!
Go get the rubber band.
Thank you, camera person. And then this is the result of rubber bands. So, should I eat it?
Oh, look. Let's see if it bounces.
Of course it's gonna bounce. Let's see if we can find any watermelon pieces in here now. Okay. Should I taste it, Dad?
Yeah, why
Should
not?
I taste it?
Yeah, why not?
Tastes like a watermelon. No, I like watermelon. So I think this challenge is a success. Please subscribe, like the video, and put on notifications so you know whenever we do another video as awesome as this one. And we'll see you next time. Bye, Amiibo!